Hi, today I will show you how can you build this background remover, and here I did not use any API to remove the background. I used a package that remove background directly on our browser, and the package name is Imgly. This is the package you can find on npm, and you can read the details here. And I already built this using this package, so let me show you the code. This is the code here. I imported this remove background from the package, and here is some states. Here we are storing the file, and this is for result URL. This is for error loading, for drag active preview. In this function we are handling the file, like validating the file type, file size, previous state, and generating preview. And in those two functions we are handling the drag and drop functionality, like we able to upload file using drag and drop here like this, and here we are handling the file input, and here we are clearing the selected file. Like if we click this, the selected file will be removed, and here we are handling the background removal. And here you can see we are checking if there is a file or not, and here we are sending our file to remove background, and from remove background result we are creating a URL and setting the URL into the result. And here the UI part, here we are handling drag and drop, and this is for remove file and other things. I will provide the source code so you can check yourself. And now let's test it. Like let's upload this, click on remove background, and it will take some time because it's running on our browser, and so let's wait. So the background is removed. Here we can see the result. This is the result. We can download it. Simply click on this button. Here let's see, and this is the removed file, and it's pretty good, you can see. And this background remover is entirely free, so if you want you can create a SaaS product or anything, and you don't have any API cost because it run entirely on your browser locally, and it's pretty simple and easy to implement. So you can check the source code. I will give it my description, you can see. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.